Energy, wow, wow.
Wie geht's dir?
Mir geht's super. Bisschen heiß, aber geil.
That's where my
Yeah.
German stopped, sorry.
That's okay, yeah. I'm really super proud of the development Mazzer took the past few years.
Thank you so much, you're very kind.
And also I'm very curious about the headline here.
So the Double Z program,
Yes, what
would you
does
like
it?
me to walk you through?
Yes, please.
So the Double Z program of Burst is a new initiative from Mazzer aimed to highlight the fruity and acidic notes in light roasted coffee.
Yeah,
So let's say this would be a classic traditional Mazzer beer. So you can tell here that there are this pre-breaking stage and then a finishing stage. At the pre-breaking stage, so these are flat beers, meaning that one of these spins and the coffee goes out from here. During the grinding path, at this stage here, the beans tend to explode,
Yeah.
maybe generating some kind of uncontrolled fines.
yeah,
This can be very good, especially in the case where you want to have some nice texture, some good body. If you want to make milk-based drinks, and if you are
Yeah.
interested in chocolatey notes in medium dark roasted coffees. But with the Double Z beers, we are trying to do something different.
Yeah.
So let's say we have a super nice single origin from Panama.
Yeah.
We want to highlight the tropical fruity notes in that
Yeah.
coffee. Maybe we want to taste it, straight black to
Yeah.
highlight the acidic fruity notes.
Yeah.
Then the Double Z beers can be
Yeah.
a great option for that. So if you see in this case, these are the new Double Z beers for the Super Jolly. So you can tell in this case there's no pre-breaking stage.
yeah. You see here the difference, yeah.
So the coffee particle is ground uniformly from start to finish. And let's say it's not pre-broken, but it's kind of milled uniformly from start to finish.
Yeah.
And in the end, this delivers a very clean cup, still maintaining a very good sweetness, but you will be able to, how can I say, have a better flavor separation in the tasting
Yeah,
notes.
and the fines and the boulders are more together, or
Let's say this would be a way to explain that. If
Yeah.
whenever we are analyzing particle size distribution, even small differences can make a very
Yeah.
strong impact. So let's say what we focus mostly on in Mazzer is yes the technical data, but also the impact in the cup.
Yeah.
I think even a person that is not a Q grader is able to tell that there is a big difference in this.
Wow.
And a similar concept for the coni. So let's say historically, conical beer grinders, how can I say, have been known for being very good for chocolatey notes, milk-based drinks, and so
Yeah.
on. But we want to, wave the flag of conical beer grinders and tell people that conical beer grinders can deliver excellent, cup for light roasted coffee.
Wow.
So I don't know
Yeah.
if you know how traditional conical beer is made.
Yes.
But even in this case, there is no pre-breaking stage,
Yeah.
but it's milled uniformly from start to finish. So I particularly enjoy these beers here, which are a big news from Mazzer, and this can be mounted in the new Coni G. So let's say
Cool.
these are for the Coni,
Yeah.
and these are for the Super Jolly.
Okay, wonderful. And so with this, you have a less sour but more fruity.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're able to highlight the acidic notes
Yeah.
without the sourness
Yeah.
and maintaining the sweetness.
Yeah, because often when you taste the like roasts espresso, it's sour when you don't hit this point.
Exactly. Absolutely.
And so this is why the birds are so good.
Absolutely.
Cool.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Va bene. Hey, grazie.
Grazie.
Yeah. Ciao.